Here we have, guys, a pair of AllSaints jeans in for a very typical repair that we see on AllSaints jeans. Because they're made out of jean fabric, which got a little bit of elastine in them. The seat area around here, the panel in between, wears out, and then you get holes in the back like this. And obviously it will get worse and maybe spread down the pocket down there. Sometimes they go in the pocket edges as well, they need fixing now and again. And then sometimes right underneath on the crotch they end up blowing out as well. But a bit, a popular repair is this seat area where it all wears out. You see it's all worn out here as well. It's all worn out there. That definitely needs fixing. So what we're going to do is we're going to reinforce it from the inside, and then we're going to carefully colour match the grey with lots of different shades we've got in-house, and then we're going to be doing the oversew darning work to the front areas, and then that'll come out really well, and get these repaired. And obviously with obviously with AllSaints jeans, they are expensive, so it is worth maybe investing a little bit of time and a little bit of money in keeping them going for a bit longer. And obviously if they're your favourite jeans, then you will want to keep them going that little bit longer and maybe get another year or two out of them. So anyway, so if you've got any AllSaints jeans with repairs like this that need doing, we're in Manchester city centre. We've got a shop in Manchester, or obviously we do a postal service as well, so you can post them to us, and we can do payment over the phone via card and that type of thing. So it's nice and straightforward, and we normally need them for around about a week to get them done. And then we do offer a service, obviously, where you can get them done in the shop, sometimes on the same day as well. So anyway, drop me a DM or drop me an email. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. If you've got any AllSaints jeans that need repairing, drop me a line and I will more than gladly give you a quote for any work that you might need doing. Also, we do alterations to them as well. We do, let's show you here, if you need the hem shortening with a thick stitch finish, we can do that for you. If you want them tapering down a little bit, we can do that for you as well. If you want like a nice skinny cut, then we can do that for you as well, and keep all the original type stitching. Yeah, so there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate all the support on the channel, and if you've obviously watched it on Instagram or on YouTube, thanks very much. Have a great weekend, people. Thanks.